Topology versus topography. Understand the key GIS concepts. Topography is what you can see. The hills, valleys, rivers, and how high or low the land goes. But topology, it's the logic behind the map. It's not about the surface, it's about how features connect in GIS. Topology ensures that roads meet at junctions, districts share clean borders, and lakes sit neatly inside parks. We sum this up with the 3 C's. Connectivity, roads and lines properly linked together. Contiguity, neighboring areas share borders without overlaps or gaps. Containment, one feature fits entirely within another, like a lake inside a park. Think of topography as the map's aesthetic, and topology as its rulebook. Why does this matter? Because topology protects your map's accuracy. It spots messy errors like overshoots, undershoots, and unclosed boundaries, things that can wreck analysis or cause confusion in navigation apps. So in short, topography equals what the land looks like. Topology equals how spatial features relate and connect behind the scenes. Without topology, even a beautiful map can be a chaotic mess. But with it, you get clean, reliable, smart GIS data ready for any task. Next time you hear these terms, remember, topography shows the landscape. Topology makes the map work. Because good maps don't just look great, they think smart.